Back now on Triad Today. Always glad to have this gentleman with me here, Jay Power, Director. If we can see Clark Dummett, the founder of the Dummett Law Firm. He checks in from time to time with us, gives us good advice, he and his staff. Welcome again, Clark.
Good to see you.
We're going to talk about something that a lot of people can identify with, and that's the Internet. We go on the Internet, we use it for lots of reasons, but we also see that now attorneys seem to be on the Internet a lot, have their own web pages, as you do.
Yes.
What kinds of features and functions do you have on your site that might provide various answers to people?
Websites are just an incredible tool today to disseminate information. We're actually redesigning ours right now, but it's a work in progress every day because they're constantly evolving. The idea is you should have a lot of content out there for people to search and gather information. One of the things I'm most proud of is we have developed a child support calculator that actually has got a lot of software behind it, and if you'll plug in some information on our website, it'll spit out what the North Carolina child support guidelines say you should be paying in child support.
And there's no strings attached to this. You know, like some of these websites you go to, I won't name them, but they'll say free insurance quote, and you'll put in the information, and you get 400 calls at your house. But I mean, this is a table you can go to and figure out child support payments.
And you don't even put in your email address.
Don't even put in, so you know.
We don't know you've been there.
But let's, you know, you could put anything you want to up on the Internet. People do, and some things they shouldn't. But from a legal standpoint, do you have to be careful not to put anything on an Internet, on the website, that would mislead or give people advice that might get them in trouble in terms of they make the wrong legal decision because they, you know, they don't come in to see you, they just go to your website. But you don't do that. You don't put information up that's advice, do you?
Well, that's a fine line. I mean, because what is information and what is advice? Lawyers argue over that.
Right.
Simply put, we shouldn't put anything up there that's deceptive and try and lure people in. That would be an ethical violation. And we are required to maintain records of our website for years for the bar to review.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So it has to be truthful and not deceptive.
Right.
And that should be every website, but most aren't regulated.
Yeah, that's
we
true.
are regulated.
Now, if I go to your website, can I contact an attorney directly? I mean, do you put his or her personal email address up and I can just go right in that way, or what?
I'd love to do that, but they've got these things called web bots that go out and crawl the Internet and pull people's email address and start spamming them. So we don't put the actual email address up there, but what we do is almost one better, and that is we have a pull-down box where you can put your information in and then select a topic. Gee, I need some information about criminal law.
Right.
And if you click that button, the email will automatically come to me.
Yeah.
And of course, you've got to type in the code word so bot crawlers can't find it. So it's a little bit of a pain, but it generates an email directly to me. And if you write in about med-mals, it generates that email directly to Jim
malpractice.
Green. Medical malpractice. So depending on the topic, our website will generate the email directly to the lawyer that deals with that.
Now, I'm going to ask you something that I know nothing about. My wife keeps up on these social media things in her business, but Facebook, Twitter, things like that. Does the Dummett Law Firm, are you into that? Do you offer information through that, or what?
Well, I'll start with, I'm embarrassed to say, but I don't tweet.
Yeah.
I wish I did.
I don't either.
I'm just too old for that.
I don't either.
But yes, we are very aggressive in the social media. It's a great way to reach out and touch clients. We have a great Facebook page. We'd love you to come friend us on Facebook.
Because you have a big staff, and a lot of these people are really into this social media stuff, and they
keep up with each other, and we reach out to clients that way.
Right.
We have a blog that Jim Green writes, and it's just great. What I actually do with my Facebook page, and I have a lot of fun with it, is I find weird and funny law stories across the nation and the world, and I can summarize them and put them up almost like a blog, but I use my Facebook that way. I had a story that's up there right now where a woman sues after slipping on a banana peel. Mm-hmm. And I just thought it was too humorous. It's just out of a cartoon or something. Yeah. True story, true lawsuit going on.
We have just a few seconds left. People that have smartphones, is there an application they can use, or they say the app? See, I'm learning these phrases now. Do they have an app for you?
There's an app for that. We are working right now on getting our child support calculator so that you can actually do it on a cell phone while you're in a courtroom negotiating a settlement.
Not have to do it on your computer.
Not have to do it on the computer.
Website's up there, nclawyer.com. Please check it out for all sorts of information. And to Clark Dummett, my good friend, thanks for being here.
Absolutely.